Oh, Joey. So, I have this thing that is called XTREME. Sorry. Let it focus. Yeah, see, look there. It's really cool. So, it has a brightness up, it has a brightness down, on and off. Let me show you full brightness. I think this actually is full brightness. Yeah, this is full brightness. Let me turn it down a little bit because of my dog's eyes. So I just turn it like... Alright, let's focus again. Come on. Alright, so that's red, green. Let me get in so you guys could see for yourself. Yep. So that's green and that's cyan. They made cyan kind of like a mixture of dark blue and dark green at the same time, but more of a dark green. Don't really like that. White, I don't know about white. I just don't like it. So the jumps, like the jump and jump are like flashing. The fade 3 is somewhat of a quicker version of this. Sorry, it's not loading. This is what I hate about sometimes phones. Yes, there. If you were to be here right now, it'd look better, because right now all it looks like is just white dots, but you could see the color at the bottom and my dog just sitting on my pillow. And Fade 7 is what I have right now. Just gonna say this is really good. If you want to buy it, I'll hope to put something in the description. Yeah, so check the description. Yeah. And if you're wondering, there's that. Let's see. I don't know. Let me turn this off. If you're wondering what the batteries are, let me turn on my flash. There. Now you guys could probably see. Yeah, I'll be back in a second. Alright, guys. So, what happens is... I'm trying to do this with one hand so I could hold my phone. You pull this out, and all it takes is... Let me see, actually. I don't want to lose a battery. Yeah, just one battery. See, look. There's this little holder. Put that down. Put that right there. And so what you would do is, you would look at the side. See that kind of like slope? It's hard to see with my phone being all goofy. Yeah, see that slope? That's pointing up. So, see this? It will go in like this. You just push it in with the battery in. If you want to take it off, it's a little hard, but it'll be completely in there. And here, let me show you. See, look. You're going to need to have a nail or something. Going to need to do that. And you're going to need to pull, and then pull this. But you'll need to push this and pull at the same time to get it out. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Sorry for the wait, and thanks for your time.